Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video I will be showing you guys this trellis bracelet here. This was designed by me. I posted around last year. I will put the link of my Instagram account in my description box below so you guys can check that out. And yeah, this is a very beautiful design, I would say, and the color here is really pop. So to make this bracelet, you will need a double-ended hook, and then you will need a C-clip, and obviously some pins. So for the color combinations, I'm not using the same one as this, but I will show you guys which band is which from here. Okay, first you want to grab your border color. Here is the pastel peach here. I'm going to be using the electric purple jelly. Wanna grab it, and we're basically going to make a 6-loop setup. So grab your bands. First band is going to be the cap band. Then grab another one. Pull it through the cap band and then pick up the left side of the cap band and then close. Then grab another band, and then you want to pull this through the first 2 loops, then pick up the outer one. It should be this band here, and close. And then you can switch side now. Before you do anything on this side, want to open that and then pick up the other side of the cap band and close. And then you want to grab another band and then pull this through the first 2 loops, pick up the outer one and close. That's how we got this 6-loop setup. Okay, and now you want to grab your Persian white here. I'm going to be using this passion pink. You want to pull this through the first 3 loops and pick up the first and the 3rd loop and close. And then you want to rearrange this like so. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Grab a band, pull it through the first 3 loops, pick up the first and the 3rd loop and close, and then rearrange. And you should have this on your hook now. You should have 8 loops on your hook, like so. And then you want to grab your inner color, I think this coral pink here. I'm going to be using this penguin black. Then you want to pull this through the first 7 loops. I'm going to just leave the last one on the hook, and then you want to pick up the 2nd loop. You want to skip the first here, pick up the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So we're basically picking up those 4 loops in the center, and then you want to pick up the very outer one and close like so. And then you want to rearrange this again just like that. And now you want to grab your border again. You want to pull a band through the first 3 loops and just pick up the 2nd loop and close just like that. And then grab your pink now. Just gonna call it the center band. This is the border, pink is the center band, and the black is the inner band. So grab your center band. Then you want to pull this through the first 4 loops. Maybe, I'm sorry, there's a cut in here, just ignore that. Want to pull this through the first 4 loops and then just pick up the previous border, which is the 2nd and the 4th loop, and close. Then you want to rearrange again because the border should be only very outside, like so. And we can switch side now. Start with your border, pull this through the first 3 loops, pick up the second loop, should be the inner loop, close, and then you want to grab your center band. Want to pull this through the first 4 loops and pick up the second and the 4th loop and close, like so, and then rearrange again. And yeah, that was the first section. Now since we have 8 loops on our hook, we're going to add the inner band. Want to pull your inner band through the first 7 loops, and then you want to pick up those 4 loops in the middle, just the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I'm gonna skip the 6th and then pick up the 7th, or the very last one, and close. Then you want to rearrange again, like so, and then you back to the border. Want to pull your border through the first 3 loops, pick up the second one, and close. You want to grab your center color. You want to pull this through the first 4 loops, and then pick up the second and the 4th loop and close, and rearrange like so. By the way, sometimes when you trying to pick up this loop here, you're gonna make sure that this and this loop is not crossing. So yeah, now we can switch side. Pull your border through the first 3 loops, pick up the second one and close, then grab your center color, pull this through the first 4 loops, pick up the second and the 4th loops and close, then rearrange just like that. And then you want to grab the inner band. Since we have 8 loops, want to pull this through the first 7 loops. Then you want to pick up those 4 loops in the middle, as well as the outer one, and close. Then you want to rearrange again, and we're going back to the border. Pull a border through the first 3 loops, and then pick up the second loop and close. You want to grab your center color, pull it through the first 4 loops, and pick up the second and the 4th loop and close. Don't forget to rearrange. Now we can switch side. Grab a border, pull it through the first 3 loops, pick up the second loop and close. Grab your center band, pull it through the first 4 loops, pick up the second and the 4th loop and close. Just like that. I think these steps are not hard at all, so I think I'm going to close mine here, and of course you guys can continue to make yours long enough. So to close it, you just need to add another inner color. Make sure that you stop here with the 8 loops on your hook, and then you want to grab your inner color and you want to pull this through the 7 loops, through the first 7 loops. then pick up those 4 loops in the middle and the outer one and close, and then rearrange again. And here we can add the closure bands. I'm going to use the same color as the border. I want to pull this through everything. And close. And there you have the Trelliz bracelet. Again, make sure to check out my Instagram account. I'll put the link in my description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you do, please give it a like, comment, and share this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.